In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate financial reports in Zoho Books. This process is instrumental for businesses looking to get a coherent overview of their financial health, aid in decision-making, and ensure that their financial activities are staying on track. With Zoho Books, generating these reports can be done efficiently. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to make the most out of this powerful tool. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Books website. Upon arriving at the home page, log into your account using your credentials. Assuming you're already familiar with the Zoho Books interface, you'll find navigating around pretty straightforward. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore and familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. Next, locate the Reports section in the sidebar on your dashboard. Clicking on Reports will open a new window displaying a variety of financial reports you can generate. These include balance sheets, profit and loss statements, cash flow reports, and more. Deciding which report you need is crucial as each report offers different insights into your business's finances. So take a moment to consider what information or analytics you're hoping to obtain. Once you've chosen the type of report that fits your needs, it's time to run the report. Simply click on the desired report and you'll be greeted with a range of options to customize the data you'd like to view. For instance, you can set a specific date range or choose whether you want the report in a cash or accrual accounting format, amongst other settings. After finalizing your selections, look for the Run Report button. Clicking this will generate the report based on your specified criteria. With the report freshly generated, you may want to export it for your records or to share with team members or stakeholders. To do this, click on the Export button, which is typically found at the top of the report page. When exporting, you'll need to decide the file format you want. Zoho Books allows you to choose from several common formats like PDF, Excel, or CSV, depending on your needs for flexibility, presentation, or further data manipulation. Following your choice of file type, you'll be prompted to give your export file a name. It's wise to use a descriptive name, perhaps including the date or report type, to make it easily identifiable later on. Finally, once you've named your file, go ahead and click Export once more. Zoho Books will process your request and prepare the file for download. Depending on your browser settings, it may automatically be saved to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. And there you have it. You've successfully generated and exported a financial report in Zoho Books. This process, once familiar, can be repeated for various reports to continually keep tabs on the financial aspects of your business, thereby aiding in making well-informed strategic decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.